let's look at cold calling first of all. And here you'll see why the conscious mind and the unconscious mind are really relevant. You may know consciously that cold calling is really important in terms of business. You may know that it helps profits, it helps companies to grow, but unconsciously you may feel like not doing it one morning because you just don't fancy the idea of being rejected by a number of people. Now, some people do love cold calling, and others tend to find it more challenging. But it is fair to say, of course, that businesses really do need to find new income sources to ensure they stay profitable and they grow. Now, whether you're dealing with incoming calls to deal with inquiries or making outgoing calls to gain new customers, these inquiries can be very cold or they can be a bit warmer. Planning your approach is important in both cases, because the prospective customer needs to feel that they're in safe hands. There's that unconscious, conscious thing again. The customer needs to know the product is right for them, but they also need to feel that they're in safe hands.